Go get it. Go get your. Go get.
Is it on there? Did you get me?
Go get your pride back. Go get your pride back.
I can't kick an innocent bird. Did you see me go?
Go get your pride back. Go. Here she goes.
I can't hit a bird.
You scared a bird.
No, I can't hit a bird. He didn't do anything to me.
It's a she, and she's pregnant.
Now I'm hitting a pregnant bird? I didn't hit a pregnant bird. But I did punch it in the face. But I think I'm a little scared. It was very scary. I hit an innocent bird.
Okay.
We're going to run it. We're going to start supplying you, okay? That's the plan.
There's a person, watch out. Watch out.
Hey, what are these deuces? Nothing like a lion or
I don't know.
Well, don't get too close to him because he's already a text to somebody.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And that was the end of the Looking Carmen Adventure today.